A box of mass 65 kilograms slides down a slope inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal of length 100 meters as shown below. Excuse. The force of friction between the box and the slope is 120 newtons. So izinto lapha kufanele siyiqaphele. Slide down, slide. If i-box noma ibhola liyaslide, into okufanele siyazi, there is no applied force. Ayikho i-applied force. Shuthi uma ingekho i-applied force, we assume ukuthi i-initial velocity ngaleso sikhathi if bengasitshenanga ubani uzero. But i-box aliphushwanga liyazehlela. So sesingayibuza ukuthi lehliswa yini lishone phansi. Njengoba nje i-inclined kanje i-surface kwenziwa u-FG parallel. Nguye owenza ukuthi le box ishone phansi. Force of gravity, FG parallel. But if iyaslida emqondweni wakho akube khona ukuthi oh i-applied force ayikho njalo. Okay. So bathi-ke ikhona kodwa i-frictional force. Khumbuleke ngaso sonke isikhathi i-frictional force i-opposer inakhuzana i-direction of motion. Kusho ukuthi njengoba i-frictional force iya phezulu, i-object yethu iyehla and basitshenile vele nakwi-statement it slides down. Abanye abantu abafundi kahle i-statement, so yenza sure ukuthi i-statement usifunda kahle sinama-answer. Slide, no applied force. So i-object iyaphi? Iyaphansi. Frictional force always opposes the motion. And very important, frictional force injani? Ihlezi parallel to the surface ngaso sonke isikhathi. So le box izosuka la ku-point A izofika lapha ku-point B, izohamba 100 meters iya phansi. So ngamanye amagama basinikezile u-delta x. Ukuthi u-delta x wethu u-100 meters. Initial velocity u-0. U-0 ngoba iyaslide futhi kushuthi ayikho i-applied force. Okay. Izinto lezi esinazo siyayiveza kwi-diagram yethu sinayo i-applied force. Okay, mhlambe bangasibuza i-velocity of the object at point B. Sesilokho kusengasiza ukuthi sikuthole. Mhlawumbe ake sidraw i-free body diagram siveze-ke ama-forces a-acta laphana kwi-diagram yethu. Ngathi nje ungavele wenze kanje i-surface bese udraw capital letter Y. So in this case, law of frictional force, layer in normal force, law of FG. So i-free body diagram yethu leya. Kodwa kukhona ama-force esingawavezile okungavumelekile ukuthi siwaveze. So ngizowaveza ngombala ohlukile ngoba kuvumelekile siwaveze. Njengaye ngizoveza yona kuphela. Le yenza ukuthi object iye phansi ihambe. FG parallel. Yona-ke akufanele siyikhohlwe nangebhathi nangengozi. Kufanele siyikhohlwe. Okay, ngizo-introduce nansi i-formula yethu entsha ezalwa yile formula vele kade sibhizi nayo. W net is equal to change in kinetic energy. The net work done is equal to the change in object kinetic energy. Mabethi state the work energy theorem in words. Usho njalo. Uyakusiza nansi iformula yakho. Nansi, this is the work. This is the net force. Change lona. This is kinetic energy. is kinetic energy. So ngokwe-formula yakho nje yazi ukuthi vele the net work done, this is the work done, the net work done is equal to delta lo change, the change in object kinetic energy. The net work done is equal to the change in object kinetic energy. So i-formula yakhona bazosho futhi ukuthi isho ngamagama. So uma beke basho ukuthi define the prince or the work energy theorem in words, isikhathi esiningi ngezansi kwalapho bafuna i-application yakhona isikhathi esiningi. Kukancane ukuthi bathi define the work energy theorem in words ngezansi bengathandi ukuthi uyisebenzise le fomu engiqeda uyibhala. Kukancane. So kusuke kuyindlela leyo yokukhumbuza ukuthi manje sesikuphi nendawo nephepha. Bathi-ke calculate the net work done on the box. Calculate the net work done. Okay, siyabuka-ke. I-focus yethu izoba kulama forces are parallel to the surface. Nawa ama-forces are parallel to the surface. Bese siyayibuza ukuthi sinawo yini, since i-initial velocity ne-final velocity, okay, initial velocity nginawo 0, i-final velocity anginayo. So le part le yale formula le ethi change in EK ngiyayiziba ngoba anginayo i-final velocity, so angikwazi ukusebenzisa le part engapha uku-calculate W net. Okay, i-focus yami fanele kube ilama forces that are parallel to the surface. So kuyi-frictional force, Fg parallel. Fg parallel anginayo but ngingakhona ukumthola. Ake sizameni uku-calculate Fg parallel. So ngizame uku-calculate khona la. Fg parallel is equal to mg sin of theta. Imass yethu 65 times 9,8 sin of theta. Sibone sizotholani. 65 times 9,8 times sin of 30 kusinikeza 318,5 newtons. Okay, sesinayo inakhuzana Fg parallel. Ake manje sicalculate-ke the net work done. W net is equal to, soba ne-work done by a force of gravity plus the work done by a frictional force. By the way, khona izinto engingayivezanga kule formula le. Le formula yethi kabili W net qala nje kuqala ngiyiveze is equal to change in EK. Masivula leli side elingapha shuthi sino EK final minus EK initial. Leli side elingapha kuya ngokuthi mangaka ama-forces a-parallel to the surface a-acta kuleyo object. Njengamanje mabili, I have the work done by Fg parallel plus the work done by frictional force. Ngesinye isikhathi ama-box azoba mabili edonsana kuzobe kukhona ne-tension. Nakhona uma ikhona tension siyayi-add la sithi work plus the work done by the frictional force. If khona applied force siyayi-add futhi kuleli side elingapha plus work done by an applied force. Kuleli side elingapha kuzoba ubani? Kuzoba u-half mv squared final minus half mv squared initial. Kuleli side elingapha kuzoba u-Fg parallel delta x cos of theta plus frictional force delta x cos of theta. Ngoba thina senza-ke imethi siyayibona ukuthi khona okufanayo ngapha nangapha, ngapha nje kakhulukazi. This is half m vf squared minus vi squared. Leli side elingapha lingabuya njengoba linjalo. Fg parallel delta x cos of theta plus frictional force delta x cos of theta. So le form likwazi ukuvuleka kanjena. So bese kuya ngokuthi thina information esiyinikeziwe ingakanani ngakuphi. Ngakuleli side elingapha siyakwazi ukuthi sisebenzise lona lodwa. Siyakwazi ukuthi sisebenzise lona lodwa leli side elingapha ukuze sithole u-work net wethu since i-final velocity singenayo. So ingakho-ke ngithe W net is equal to work done by FG parallel plus work done by the frictional force. Ngizofocusa kuleli side elingapha since nawo ngingakhona ukuwathola womabili lama-forces that are parallel to the surface. So mase ngiqhubeka kuzoba u-FG parallel delta x cos of theta plus FK delta x cos of theta. FG parallel ngimcalculate-ile u-318,5 sihamba ibanga elingakanani 100 meters cos i-angle. So i-object yethu iyaphansi. U-FG parallel uyaphansi. So angle between 0 degrees plus FK ngimnikeziwe 120 times ubhala ngezansi times 100 times cos of, so siyehla siyaphansi, frictional force iyaphezulu, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question 180. So ngiyacela abantu laphaya bangafaki u-negative. So abanye abantu bese beyithatha as ama-Newton's law lento le bese lapha sebefaka u-negative ukuthi oh, le force iyaphezulu i-negative ngizofaka u-negative lapha. Akusiwa ama-force lawo. Inakhuzana leyo i-energy. So loya negative ofuna ukumfaka lapha already uzofakwa ileya angle leya ewu-180. So asikho isidingo sokuthi wena uthi le force yaphezulu kuzoba negative bese lapho ufaka negative. Okay, akusiyo i-force la, we treat as ama-Newton's law. Awusho ukuthi lo yaphezulu, the work done by the frictional force already sengizomfakela u-minus lapha. Asikwenzi lokho. Ama-signs wadeterminelwa yilabo 0 degrees ilama angle 180. Okay, times 100 times cos of 0 kusinikeza bani lokho? Kusinikeza 31850 minus 120 times 100 times cos of 180 kusinikeza minus 12000. I-work net wethu uzokubanike 31850 minus 12000 isinikeza 19850 joules. Okay, so futhi ngisebenzise leli side elingapha kwa-left kuphela ukuthola u-work net. If nangapha bengiyinikeze i-information eningi like i-mass nginayo, final velocity nginayo, initial velocity nginayo, bengingalisebenzisa leli side leli ngapha lona lodwa ukuthola u-W net. Okay. Manje sebethi-ke calculate the velocity of the box at point B. Since sesinawo W net sesingayi-calculate i-velocity ye-box malifika lapha ku-point B ezansi. Cela ukusula la. Hamba ngibhale lapha W net is equal to 19850 joules. Okay. W net is equal to change in EK. Sifuna i-final velocity, i-velocity ye-box at point B. Ngapha asisekho isidingo sokuthi siyivule, siyayazi energy, siyitholile u-19850. Leli side elingapha singasho sithi half m vf squared minus vi squared. 19850 i-mass 65. Final velocity sifuna yona. Initial velocity u-0. Velocity at point A u-0 because an object slides. Then lapha half times 65 kusinikeza u-32,5. VF squared ngapha 19850 divided by 32,5 divided by 32,5. No cancela loya. Sithola u-VF squared elingana no-610,769 square on both sides. VF is equal to 24,71 meters per second. So, ngale formula le, wathi ngiyibhale ngale ndlela. W net is equal to change in EK. Work done by FG parallel plus work done by FK is equal to half m VF squared minus VI squared. Mase siyivula ngapha kuzoba u-FG change in x cos of theta plus FK delta x cos of theta is equal to half m VF squared minus VI squared. Ngale formula ziningi izinto esingabuzwa ngazo ukuthi asiyicalculate. Kungashiwo ukuthi asicalculate i-mass ye-object. Bayakwazi ukubuza lokho. Bangasho ukuthi asicalculate u-delta x ukuthi i-object ethamba ibanga elingakanani. Or bangasho ukuthi calculator leya angle. Calculator leya angle leya ukuthi ubani. So bazobe bekunikezile i-distance yokusuka la uzofika la. Wena uzosebenzisa le formula ukuthola u-delta x. Mawusu naleli side leli naleli side leli using SOHCAHTOA adjacent over hypotenuse asebenzisa u-cos usolve leya angle ukuthi uba le side u-delta x uzomthola ngale formula bazobe bekunikezile le unaphuzana leli side elingapha ngezansi then uzofanele ukusolve oyi-angle. Ngale formula futhi bangasho ukuthi calculate i-final velocity njengoba kade siyi-calculator nje. Bangasho futhi calculate initial velocity if i-box alisuki la lisuka khona ngo-0. Kwesinye isikhathi i-box malisuka ngo-0 bazokutshela ukuthi an object moving from rest or an object is released. If that an object is released, the initial velocity is 0. For the object moving from rest, the initial velocity is zero. So ziningi izinto okungathiwa siyi-calculate la. Futhi la bangasho ukuthi asicalculate frictional force. Ngeke baze bakunikeze mu-UK ngoba bayazi ukuthi uzothola i-normal force, calculate i-frictional force using mu-UK and the normal force. Bazokuncisha inakhuzana um-UK bathi calculate, mhlambe bathi calculator yena um-UK. So wena kuzofanele uqale uthole i-FK using le formula le. Bazokutshena futhi sebenzisa ama-work energy principles only to calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. So into oyibona kule formula le ayikho into ongeke uze ukwazi ukuyi-calculate ngayo. Noma ayikho into abangeke basho ukuthi i-calculate. So yonke into ekule formula kufuneka ukwazi ukuyi-calculate.